In this example, I am going to share you how we can remove the commas from numbers and text. So we can start from the numbers here. We can see the numbers in different commas in different areas. Normally we are removing manually. To avoid this, sometimes we are using Ctrl H from find to replace. From find place we will keep commas and replace all. So this will also not work because it's only affect only the text only. See here only text is affecting only the text. So we can use, instead of entering manually and use find replace, we can use here number value, type number value instead of all. It will change everything and independent numbers only. So type number value, open bracket, select the text, close bracket, enter. So before starting with the text replacement, we can go through, we can check the sum are correct. Okay, here we find the sum and here we find the sum. So here some differences, here some of them are text, some of them are numbers. Yeah, see what is the difference between both columns. Okay, so we can use number value as to remove the commas. Now we can go through text. Now I am here not removing the commas. I want to replace dash in place of commas. So I am using here substitute function. Type substitute, open bracket, select the text, old text as comma and new text as dash. So when we remove, we can see everything has been removed as dash in place of comma. Now suppose I add one more middle name also here. And I want to remove, I am using again the substitute and changing now here we can see all the commas are replaced as dash. So I want to replace the dash only before last name only. I want to remove the dash. So in that case, comma, next argument instant number I am using here as 2. So only the second comma only I have to change. So here another problem, when I drag, next two rows, next two full names are not changing. See, because this is only two names, first name and last name only. So in that case we have to make changes dynamically. So before that we can get the length of the name. So we will get the length of the name, and also we can get the name of length of the name after removing commas. That is removing two commas. For example, Donald John Trump has two commas. So I'm using here length, sorry, length len on bracket substitute, then old text as comma, new text as empty. Close bracket for substitute, close bracket for length, enter. Now it's 16 after removing the commas, 18 without removing the commas. So we can use these two as instant number for our example. So go to our example again and we can make changes. Go to our example here, we can change the formula here. Starting from substitute, select the text and next argument alt text as comma, new text as dash, instant number as length of a text minus len length of text minus length of a text without comma. That is an instant number. That means for the first one, Donald John Trump has two commas. So 18 minus 16, that is 2. So we need the dash before last name. So that is the second comma. So that place we replaced as dash. One comma missing here. Yeah, correct. Now when I drag, it will affect the see. When we add additional text here, it will change automatically. I hope you understand this video. Please share this video and subscribe for more videos.